Today we will be making this delicious and smooth carrot beetroot juice. Keep watching to find out how. Hello everyone, and welcome back to the Simple Healthy Living channel, where your health is your wealth. Don't forget to ring the bell if you want more tips for healthy living. First, we're going to wash our carrots. For this recipe, you may be doing a lot of washing, peeling, and trimming because we're going to do that until we have a bowl full of carrots, or about 9 carrots. And if you want to snack on one of the carrots, it's okay if it's only 8 carrots at the end. While we're getting all of our carrots ready, in another bowl, we're going to get 3 different types of beetroots: yellow, red, and purple. For our beetroots, we will follow a similar process. Wash and then trim the root and the tail. You do not have to peel the beetroot, just make sure that you wash it very well to get any of the residual dirt from the ground off. For the juice, we're going to assemble the juicer together, and then after that, we'll cut the pieces into smaller bits. To make this easy even simpler, check out the Kiva juicer down in the description below. This juicer is a cold press juicer and will help make your juice as smooth with as little pulp as possible. All of our carrots and beetroot are finally juiced. Drum roll please. Now that we've finished preparing all of our juices, we're going to chill our shots, put the ice cubes in the freezer, and put our juice bottles into the fridge. And indulge in the delectable goodness of cold pressed juice.
8 out of 10. 8 out of 10. Thank you.
If you like this recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the bell, and give us a comment below and let us know what you liked most about this video. And we will see you guys in the next one. Thank you for watching.